Mount Pinatubo. Mount Pinatubo is a volcano in the Luzon, Philippines, Southeast Asia. Pinatubo is part of a chain of composite volcanoes along the island. It stands at about 15 latitude and 120 longitude, only 55 miles away from the capital city, Manila. Within 6 miles of the volcano, the population is set at around 3,800 people. Pinatubo's last eruption was in 1991. It was the second largest eruption of the 20th century. This composite or stratovolcano gave off almost 15 million tons of sulfur dioxide and gases into the air during its 1991 eruption. With all of that in the sky, it mixed with the clouds. Wind swept it off, and it started to rain acid miles and miles away. Destruction seemed to have happened everywhere. During the eruption, almost 800 people were killed by its suffocation of ash, heat, burns, and even volcanic bombs. Not even that, but more than 100,000 people were left homeless. This particular volcano is settled on a convergent boundary of the Eurasian and Philippine plates. Convergent boundaries are some of the most destructive boundaries, and many form big volcanoes. The Philippines tectonic plate is slipping under the Eurasian plate, giving Pinatubo a place for its own magma chamber. However, in 1991, when the last eruption took place, that very magma chamber collapsed upon itself. This formed a caldera. The volcano went from 5,725 feet down to 4,875 feet, almost 1,000 feet difference. The caldera filled up with water from rain and hail and such, making it a lake that tourists love to look at. But now, Mount Pinatubo is slowly building itself back up. In 1957, there was a Douglas C-47 plane named Mount Pinatubo because it was supposed to have great power. However, that plane crashed into a mountain, killing the Philippines' 7th president. Even back before the large eruption, many knew Pinatubo had power that was waiting to be unleashed. Who knows whether the next eruption would actually happen? And if it does, will it be peaceful, or will it be even more deadly than the last?